Shukor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Myntri ka Sorkar Pdeng berikmi Ïaka Health and Family Welfare but Chemical and Fertilizers JP Nanda minta kasih lawan banyuk jat Arhi Bhoi ban Plie Paidbah Ïaka Arhi Hospital Hajorabat. Kini kejaka ai jing sumar ke bahe bat kejaka ke balabit labiang na dong sedong ban ai ke jing sumar ke bapaka syagi Paidbah ke jela bat ke than chetela mingihi barok away. Hal kini kesini Plie Paidbah Ïaka Arhi Hospital kebela penyat dekat Far East Wellness Private Limited lawan banyadon ringkat ru doba wailat miki shela Myntri ketenat kekot kekia ke jela uba Sostenus Sotun Myntri ketenat CNRD ke jela uba ALHEC chairman jangka Arhi Hospital nalor kiwe de ki he Sorkar ki doktor kinong yalam shnong bat kinong syakot ngobha. Haba ai jingkren ha kini kesini JP Nanda ula ong ba hapo ke jing lam jo Myntri rang ba adu keri Narendra Modi kathan jete la mingi kalayu i ke jing nang jingkiu stat ha ki babun ki liang kham tam ha ka bai de ber kot kya ki bala beten lenti ling ba gi sin jam kum ka act is policy bar ke jing phai khmat ka bakapang ka Sorkar sha kan kathan ula ai ru ke jing yero shiki bor penyat ka Arhi Hospital ki bala penbet penbiang da ki tiar bat ki kor ki bor ki bakat kum kini ke juk start ka bamenta ha kini ke jaka ai jing sumar kum ka oncology unit ka PET CT scan ka critical care service ka neonatal intensive care unit ka advanced diagnostic service ka modular operation theaters na lor ki we de.
To the hole.
The vote of thanks.
The Arhi Hospital. Few days back, my colleague Ïaka had come to Delhi, and he invited me to come and inaugurate this program. I said very soon I'll make a program, and I'm really thankful to Ïaka for giving me this invitation. And because of his invitation, I'm here. I'm meeting all of you. First of all, I congratulate on the inauguration of this Arhi Hospital and the opportunity of it. It is a very significant milestone, a huge initiative which has been taken in health delivery in Meghalaya. At the outset, when I congratulate, I also really admire the vision which you have kept. Because in a hilly state like Meghalaya, thinking of a super specialty, that too in the private field, is no less than a dream. It's no less than a dream. and making dream reality is really commendable. So first of all, at the outset, I congratulate for your vision, dedication and the hard work through which this institution has come up. It has got the most modern facility, which I am told, and it's not only the mere creation of the building, but the creation of the hope and the security and the quality which you are providing through this Arhi hospital that I would like to certainly enunciate to you. As you all know that under the dynamic leadership of Prime Minister Modi, the growth story in the health sector has been, and it's not only the health sector. My friend Wailad narrated just now that in only a short span of 1 month, if 5 ministers are coming and they are having meeting in Meghalaya, you can understand how much emphasis is being given and how much mainstreaming has been done as far as the Northeast is concerned, and the thought process when he said that look east, when he said act east. So it's not only in words, but it is in deeds that we have to understand. So under his leadership, really the region has witnessed a rapid development in healthcare also. And I'm happy that this institution which is coming up, it is private in center certainly, but it is with a full-fledged oncology unit. I'm also told that PET CT scan is the only CT scan here in Arhi hospital in Meghalaya. So that is very commendable. And the advanced diagnostic facilities are there, critical cares are there, as MPC told that there are 6 modular operation theatres are there. So building of the healthcare in the last few years has been very rapid, and if I say so, in the last 12 years that we have to understand. A lot of emphasis has been given to primary healthcare, tertiary healthcare, secondary healthcare, and I would also like to share with you that the thought process, how it changes and how the scenario changes. In 2014, when we took over and Prime Minister Modi as the leader, our dynamic leader, took over the reins of the country, he asked us to relook of the health policy. And I would like to share with you that before 2017, we had a health policy which took care only about the curative part. That means, पहले बीमार पड़ो और बाद में इलाज करो, और इलाज करने का जिम्मा हमारा, बीमार पड़ने का जिम्मा आपका. It was in 2017 that we made a policy which was comprehensive, which was inclusive, and it was preventive, it was promotive, it was curative also. It also took care of the palliative part. It also took care of the geriatric part. So a comprehensive health policy came in 2017. And because of that, for the first time, the primary health care was given importance. And I would like to share with you that we have now, which you used to call at that point of time, sub-centers, primary sub-centers. Now these sub-centers, these primary health centers, PHCs, and to some amount of CHCs, all these have been converted into health and wellness centers, which we call as Ayushman Arogya Mandir. And now they are 1,81,000 in the country. And this 1,81,000 is the first contact point between 1.4 billion people. It is the first contact point where we are trying to connect with the 1.4 billion people. And as I said that it is a preventive part, we have 50,000 out of these 1,80,000 NQAS, National Quality Assurance Standards. That means they fulfill the national quality, the qualitative part, and that assurance and the standards have been maintained. But we are trying to see to it that 1,80,000, all of them become NQAS, national quality assurance standards that is maintained. But what do? We ask the ASHA workers, we ask the Panchayat Pradhans, the primary PRI's representatives, to ensure that in their area, anybody above 30 should be brought into the Ayushman Arogya Mandir, that is the health and the wellness center.